Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Self-Improvement TV. In this video, I will discuss: what is green tea actually? What are the major benefits of green tea? How to make green tea? How to make green tea more healthy than it is? How to get best from green tea? When green tea can be harmful? How to skip side effects and many more things. This video is going to be very informative and insightful. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you will never get a second chance in life. Please hit like and share this video on your social media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's start the video. Green tea has been the most popular drink in Asian countries for centuries. But in the Western world, black tea has been overwhelmingly more popular than green tea until recently. But as we have learned more about green tea's unique taste and many health benefits, it has gained popularity all over the world. Green tea, like black tea, comes from the Camellia sinensis plant. The difference between green and black tea comes from how the tea is processed. Black tea is fermented during processing, green tea is not. After the tea leaves are plucked, they are laid out to wither for about 8 to 24 hours. This lets most of the water evaporate. Next, to prevent the oxidation process, the leaves are steamed or pan-fried. Finally, the leaves are rolled before a final drying takes place. After this final drying, the leaves, which still look green, can now be sorted, graded, and packaged. The lack of fermentation causes green tea to look, smell, and taste different than black tea. It typically brews to a pale green color and has a bit of a grassy flavor and aroma. This lack of fermentation also causes green tea to have more health benefits than black tea. The fermenting process used for black and oolong teas causes a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, to be oxidized and converts it into other compounds. Epigallocatechin gallate is a very powerful antioxidant, but the compounds it converts to during fermenting are not as healthful. This difference means that this powerful antioxidant is in its most natural state, the state in which it provides the most protection to the body. Epigallocatechin gallate, like other antioxidants, are important to the body because they rid our bodies of free radicals. Free radicals are oxygen-containing molecules that are created as a byproduct of our digestive processes. Unless they are eradicated from our bodies, free radicals damage our cells and DNA, causing aging and disease. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables and other plant-based foods like green tea and wine help us get the antioxidants we need to stay healthy. And epigallocatechin galateus, one of the best and most protective antioxidants found in any food. For this reason, cultures who have traditionally consumed large amounts of green tea throughout their lives have been shown to have lower incidences of many serious illnesses, including cancer, heart disease, and high cholesterol. In recent years, there has been much scientific research linking green tea with a longer, healthier life. Green tea has also been shown to aid in weight loss by speeding up the metabolism and increasing the oxidation of fat cells in the body. For years, it was assumed that green tea's caffeine was responsible for this ability to aid weight loss. However, more recent research has shown that green tea is more effective at speeding weight loss than other beverages with higher caffeine contents. Researchers have concluded that it is the caffeine in green tea combined with green tea's antioxidants that make green tea a better weight loss supplement than other caffeinated beverages. Green tea was first grown in China. Most of the green tea grown today is grown in China and Japan, which is also where most of the world's green tea is consumed. However, it has gained a great deal of popularity in other parts of the world, primarily because we now better understand its health benefits. Today, nearly any tea purveyor will carry green tea in loose form. There are many green tea varieties with distinct tastes. In addition, there are many varieties of flavored green tea. These appeal to the many people who may not find plain green tea's somewhat grassy flavor to be appealing. When flavored with other fruits and herbs, green tea can take on many different flavors. One of the most traditional green tea forms is matcha. This form of green tea is used in Japanese tea ceremonies and was the primary form of green tea in Japan for centuries. Matcha is simply green tea that has been crushed into powder form. It is then whisked into hot water to make traditional Japanese green tea. Most other parts of the world use loose tea to make green tea rather than matcha. Today, there are many varieties of green tea. Different green teas will have slightly different tastes depending upon the region in which they are grown and how they are flavored. If you're new to drinking green tea, there are many places to buy green tea and many flavors with which to experiment. To brew a cup of green tea, use fresh cold water. Fill your kettle and place it on the stove to heat. While the water is heating, add warm tap water to your teapot and your cups, if you wish, to warm them. When the water comes to a boil, remove it from the heat and remove the tap water from your teapot. Let the water sit for about 2 minutes. Green tea should be brewed with water that is about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is cooler than most other teas. Add the green tea to your teapot and pour water over the leaves. Use about 1 teaspoon of tea leaves per cup. Most green tea should steep about 1 to 2 minutes before serving. The best green tea should give you 2 to 3 infusions. There are many varieties and flavors of green tea for you to try. Buy a few different green teas in small quantities until you find the green tea that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.